Article 250, Power of Parliament during emergency. Article 250 of the Indian Constitution empowers Parliament to legislate on matters in the state list during the period of a proclamation of emergency. Scope and operation. When a national emergency is declared under Article 352, Parliament acquires the power to make laws on any subject in the state list. Such laws may apply to the whole or any part of India. Duration. Laws made under Article 250 remain in force during the emergency and for 6 months after the emergency ceases. After this period, the law ceases to operate, except as to things already done or actions taken under it. Effect on state powers. State legislatures are not suspended, but their legislative powers on state list subjects are subordinated to Parliament. In case of inconsistency, the parliamentary law prevails. Nature and significance. Article 250 represents a temporary unitary shift in the federal structure. It ensures national unity and effective governance during extraordinary situations.